so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make soya chunk Maggi noodles. Very delicious breakfast recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Soak 8 soya chunks in water for 10 minutes, then squeeze off the water and cut into 2 halves and keep it ready. In a saucepan, heat 3 cups of water. To this add 1 Maggi cake, give it a quick mix. Let this cook for 2 minutes until it's nicely done. It's nicely done now, so remove from water and allow it to cool completely. Meanwhile, heat a pan and add a tablespoon of oil to it. To this add 1 onion finely chopped. Give it a nice mix. Let this cook for 1 minute until the onion turns nice and transparent. Then to this add 1 red chilli and the soya chunks. Mix it well. To this add a pinch of salt, a pinch of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. To this add a teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Mix well. Then go ahead and add the cooked Maggi and the Maggi taste maker. Give it a nice mix in low flame. Now it's all ready to serve. Sprinkle some coriander leaves and enjoy it nice and hot with your family and friends. Very delicious breakfast recipe, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.